Welcome to Taskdrip. Without wasting your time, I will show you the complete process on how to build web apps and monetize them.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to build complete full stack web apps and SaaS apps and how to monetize them. This is the process big web developers use to build softwares and sell them in marketplaces or sell them to the target audience for those softwares. So I'm going to walk you through the whole process. So like we built this Taskdrip web app. You can see it's a complete web app. It has a shop, it has a marketplace for influencers and brands, it has a school, it has also a referral program. So if you go through the app, you could just check it out for yourself. I'm going to show you the whole process on how to build it. You can see it has courses, it has open campaigns for influencers to join, it has a P2P marketplace. It also has you can see here it has broken down influencers into different categories right here. And I'm going to show you the whole process on how to build these applications. First of all, you need a reliable AI agent that builds web applications. So I'm using this one currently. It's called Replit. So you would have to have an account with Replit. I'm going to send you all the links below the video for you to have access to all the tools you're going to use to build your application. So after building your applications, of course you want to store your application as the web developer, so you need to have a GitHub account. So this is where you store all your source code. For instance, if I open repositories, so you're going to see all the applications you stored, all the applications you built as a web developer. So you can see these are all applications I've built. You can see log, collaborate, code, go down the list. These are all applications I've built right now. So now this is where you store all your web applications. The next thing, once your web application has been built, you want to deploy it to the cloud. I use another application for hosting my web apps on the cloud. I'm going to show you that one. I use Railway to host my application. So right now, if you check here, you see all the projects I've hosted. You can see some of them are in production. You can see here different of them. You can see they're online, all these applications. This is where I host all my applications right now. You can see here, these are all the applications I've hosted online, right? So this is how you go through the process, and I will show you how to actually monetize these apps, how to integrate a marketing system into your app that attracts users to the app. How do you monetize them, and how do you get users? How do you make sales? If this is something you're interested in, you can just say interested in the comments below, and I will show you the whole full process on how to get this started. I actually have a online course on how you can actually get started with this. So if you're interested, I can give you access to see all the whole process from start to finish. I'm going to give you the whole process, nothing missing, and very easy step-by-step process how you can actually get started building your web applications and actually monetizing them and selling them to the target audience out there. I feel this is the best strategy for you building a profitable online business in 2026. If you're looking to have passive income, build profitable businesses online, this is your, I would say this is like one of the best strategies you could employ to get this off the ground. This is like the back end of the Taskdrip web app, right? You can see here, you can track all the activities that have been happening on Taskdrip. So this is how you build yours, and you would have an admin dashboard where you actually track everything happening on the app. So you can see here, you can see your users, you can navigate here and actually see all your users on the app. You can actually check here, you see your campaigns. These are all the campaigns, and if you scroll down, you see all the campaigns right here. So it has different tabs: tax management, networks, payments, devs, hires, P2P market, feeds, blog, Briscoe, that's the courses, the shop, channels, notification system, analytics, settings, PWA, hero sliders, spotlight, ad network, payments, content edition, leaderboards, social tags, transactions, future limits, demo lab, and everything, your Google Analytics, all of that. This is a fully built SaaS web app. So it's the same process I'm showing you how to build a fully functional web app that you can actually launch out in the market. So you can see here, every section and every features and functionalities of this web app are working perfectly. So you're going to learn the whole process on how to build this, how to deploy it, how to market it, how to attract sales, how to build your user base, and all of that through this course. So if you check here, if we come to Briscoe, you see the course. If you're interested in getting started, we have the course right here. So let me just show you. On our Briscoe page, we have that course, the full stack web development course. So let me show you that course right here. So I think the course should be one of these courses here. I think this should be it. Okay, so you can see full stack SaaS web app development and monetization. So you can see we already have some students. So you can go down here and actually see the course lessons. This is a complete full bundle for you. So and basically, even if you just have a mobile device, you can still build web applications with your mobile device. You can see I'm actually working from my phone. You could build your web apps from your mobile device. You could launch them from your mobile device. You could monitor them. You could do everything from your mobile device, so you don't actually need a PC to get started. So and that's it for now. If you're interested, you could just drop interested in the comment section, or just come to the Taskdrip web app and book your course, or connect with us on social media. We can actually get back to you. Have a great week and bye.